Have you ever been to Camiguin? This is my first time going here, and this place is a home for 7 volcanoes. It is also the smallest province in the Philippines, located just north of Mindanao. Despite its small size, second smallest province, this island is packed with nature's best. Lush greenery, cool springs, Gatorade waters, mountain views, even history. Name it and you've got it. So if you are curious about the expenses or wondering what fun adventures await here, stick around because I've got you covered. Come along and experience this stunning paradise with me.
So in less than 2 hours, we arrive at Laguindingan Airport in Cagayan de Oro. And now we're on our way to ride a van papunta ng Agora Terminals. So ito lang yung sakayan ng mga vans and minibus papuntang Agora. And then ayun lang yung airport.
Okay, so after almost 2 hours of land trip via van from Laguindingan Airport, we have arrived at Agora Terminal. It cost me 200 pesos for that van transfer. And I checked in a twin-min transient because I don't think I can catch the ferry ride, and also I have to work throughout the night. So I will leave in the morning. See you tomorrow!
Instead na mag-terminal, nag-van na lang ako. Kasi sa terminal, meron pang terminal fee, 15 pesos yata. Tapos, ewan ko, environmental fee ata yun, 15. Tapos, 10 pesos yung terminal fee, so 25. Tapos, di ko sure kung magkano yung pamasahe sa bus. Pero dito sa van, 200. Tapos, yung bayad lang dun sa nagbuhat. Nagbayad ako 10 pesos, so 210 lahat na. So, chinek ko, 245 pala yung regular sa rural bus sa may terminal. So, 245 plus terminal fee and environmental fee, I think. And dito sa van, 200 lang. So, 196 yung PWD. I think mas tipid sa van.
Oh, dito po ba yung support? Ate, saan po yung pinapapuntang Balingoan po? Pakamigin po.
Ticket?
Yun na ba?
Yes.
Opo. Ticket.
Dito na po.
Ikaw lang isa?
Opo.
2.5 to.
Sir, dito po yung Pabenoni.
So, umalis kami ng Agora nung van. Around 7:12. Binaba nila ako dun sa may highway around, anong oras ba yung? Mga 9:15. So, 2 hours and 30 minutes. And then, on the way na ako papunta ng barko na biyaheng Benon. So, 252 yung regular. Terminal fee is 15 pesos and then 20 pesos yung environmental fee. We're inside the port now and then waiting for boarding. So we have boarded. Aalis yung barko ng around 10 a.m. Yun yung nasa schedule. So from Port Balingoan to Port Benon. So ngayon is around 9:40 pa lang. So meron pang 20 minutes. Sana makarating tayo doon around 12 para makapag-early check.
After about 45 minutes of ferry ride, we arrived at Benoni Port, and from the port, I just took a jeep going to my accommodation for 35 pesos.
So, yung accommodation ko is along Circumferential Road or Diversion Road lang siya. So, madali siyang puntahan. Let's see. I think ito yung entrance. Hindi ako sure. Pero, let's go. I think here naman. Oh, wait. Exit siya. So, yung entrance. It has exit yung nakalagay. Pero, wala akong makita ang ibang entrance. Walang tao. I think tama naman. Mel. Ay, ang cute. Look. Accommodation tour. Ito yung... So, tama yung pinasukan ko kanina. Ito yung entrance. Merong parang bar dyan. Yan po si Sir Edsor. Siya yung...
Hello.
Okay, hello po. Thank you po for accommodating me.
Pwede dyan sa... Yung mga tanim.
True. Actually, puro halaman siya. Sobrang presko. And merong parang mini garden here. And with all the other flags.
Itong room ko.
Okay po. Thank you, sir,
Sige.
for showing us.
Pagkatapos yung...
Oh! Hello! Merong corgi. Ang cute.
Corgi.
Hello po. So, here is my room. It's room number 1. The nearest room sa reception area. And then, okay, let's enter. So, it is good for 2 to 3 people actually or more. Kasi sobrang laki niya. Ayan. So, fun room lang yung kinuha ko. So, hindi ko gagamitin yung aircon na yan. I'll show you guys. Ito yung bed. Look how pretty it is. Sobrang comfy. Hindi ako tatalon kasi galing ako labas. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Ang ganda. And then, malinis in fairness. And then, there's the toilet. Merong bidet. Merong shower. Complete package. I love it. Of nothing. There we go. Shared room. Okay, pasok po. Okay, now I got my keys. Pretty. Sobrang wala akong masabi. So ngayon, magsha-shower ako and then I'll go out. I'll check what's outside. Kasi maaga pa. And bukas pa magsa-start yung tour ko kasi hindi ko siya binook today kasi sobrang rush na. So, I'm just gonna shower kasi sobrang nagkit na talaga ng mukha ko. On our way to where I'm gonna eat. Or maybe I will just take it out dinner. Nag-check lang ako sa Google Maps and it's like 14 minutes walk away from my accommodation. Since as you can see, I just woke up. So let's go.
So I decided to have my dinner here at Mama Ali's Kitchenette. It's 15 minutes away from my accommodation. They are open until 9 p.m. Most of the restaurants here in Camiguin closes at 8 p.m. So if you want budget-friendly meals and you woke up late for dinner, you can go here to Mama Ali's. Also, if you are nagtitipid, super sulit ng mga meals nila dito.
I-take out na lang ako ng strawberry rice also. Nag-order ako 2 the sisi. It's actually good for its price. 99 pesos with drinks na. Kasi yung strawberry rice is like 49. Grabe na balang sipon. Okay, so now it's 5:20 a.m. 6 a.m. yung sinabi kong gusto kong mag-start ng tour. So, I'm gonna prepare na. Nakapatulog pa ako. Gotta get ready. Who's that cute girl? I'm pretty. We're so ready to go. Okay, we're off. Kasi ganyan ako pero may water bag yan sa loob. Now, let's go. Mukhang okay naman yung weather, sana.
Okay naman po.
The weather is a bit grumpy today. But we're on our way. Puntang White Island. Sana meron akong mahanap na makakashare. Kasi medyo pricey siya, to be honest. Parang maangon. Okay. Ang ganda. To be honest, medyo grumpy yung weather. Windy. And actually sa forecast nga, dapat uulan eh. Pero hindi naman umuulan. Now we are off to go swimming. Ooh, ang lakas ng alon, girl. Ay, ang ganda ko. Ready pa ako, ready. Sira ko ng sinawa. Tingnan ko hapon. Feeling ko kasi sobrang salty yung dagat. Sobrang bitter yung salt. So, happy na sa mga. Currently, sa Tomato Creek na tayo. Inaano na muna namin bago pumain. Ganun karami yung tao. Yun. Ang wish ko na ay sana hindi tayo masobrang. Kasi super.
After Tungato Cliff, we went straight to the Sunken Cemetery. The view is a bit underwhelming because of the weather. There is no entrance fee sa Sunken Cemetery. So siguro kapag good weather, maganda siya during sunset really. And the history of this place is very interesting. There is a cemetery under the sea, so you can snorkel and see the tomb and the cemetery itself. I decided to ride a boat going to the cross. Since wala namang entrance fee, the sand around it is black due to the volcanic eruption, of course. Anyway, it cost me 150 pesos for this boat ride.
So, binangka namin from there. Doon talaga yung Sunken Cemetery. Lagi yung puntahan. And then, ito yung mismong cemetery na lumulog. Ito talaga yung nag-sunk. So, ayan siya. Yung ilalim na ito nasa dagat na after nung pagputok ng bulkan. Dito pag nag-snorkeling ka, makikita mo sa ilalim, puro nitso.
We had our lunch at the Beehive. This is their menu. They have everything from rice meals, snacks, beverages, hot or cold beverages. And it is ranging from 70 pesos to 400 pesos only. And this is the view, imagine. I can only imagine it on a sunny day. It's so beautiful. Anyway, this is what we ordered. I also let my tour guide order a food. So I had a chicken and he had a pork siomai. And I also had iced coffee. Their iced coffee is really good. I forgot what I ordered, but it's good. And they have free free hot coffee brewed. It is personal brewed, I think, but it is a bit strong for my liking.
Ba siya band-aid or what? Medyo mahirap kalaban yung water, pero mababaw lang siya. So, lalabanan natin siya. Sino yan? Tingnan ko naman yan. Mukhang pantay naman. There's no choice. Lawin tayo. Tama na, itigil na natin tong kalokohang to. Nilalamig na ako. But for 75 pesos, this is good. Super lamig. Wait. Ouch! Diba, ikaw is... Girl, what are you doing there? On our way to the falls now. So now here's the waterfalls. They are the receptionists of Tuwasan Falls. That's my tour guide, Kuya Vidal. Ano po?
25.
Okay. So yung guide ko, 75 pesos din dito. Entrance is 65 and then environmental fee is 10 pesos. Tuwasan Falls. Wow. Umulan kasi kaya ganyan yung water. So, now at Tuwasan Falls. Pero hindi naman siya ganun, parang mas forceful. Mas malakas pa yung force nung pinuntahan ko falls sa Aurora, yung dito Mapo Mother Falls. Ito, malakas siya, pero hindi siya yung ramdam na ramdam mo yung tagong ko. Lalapit tayo kasi matigas. Ay, dito nararamdaman ko na yung force. Dito siya may force. Doon sa pwesto kanina wala. Ay, puta lamig! It's giving. Dito ramdam mo yung force. Mas malapit kasi. At mas... Ay, di pala nasuzoom pag front cam. Pero, ganyan siya kataas. Diba? Super taas. Parang lamig. We're going back. Lamig. Super lamig. Now we're gonna have keeping. Saktong-sakto. Hey! Kasi dumami na rin yung tao. So, pagdating namin, wala pa masyado. Ngayon, parang nagsusunuran sila. Char! Medyo hindi naman ganun kalakas yung force. Parang mga napapanood ko, ang lakas daw ng force. Pag nagpunta kayo ng dito Mabo Falls, grabe, ang layo nyo palang ramdam nyo na agad. Magkano po?
15.
Kuya, ikaw? 15. Gawa po ito sa ano?
Santo Niño, ma'am. Cold Spring.
Ay, gawa po yung
Santo Niño, Cold Spring. Kasama.
kasaba po.
Kamuting kahoy sa Bisaya, ma'am.
Thank you po. So, let's try. Akala ko po gawa sa patatas.
Dili.
Kamating kahoy po.
Kamuting kahoy.
Okay. Hello, doggies. For sure you don't eat cassava. Do you? Kumakain po ba sila neto, Nay? Talaga po? Kain kayo neto? Hello? Mga keeping na walang chocolate kasi kumakain sila. Gentle. Hindi gentle yung isa, ikaw lang ang gentle. Ay, nililipad. Shoot! Very good. Nice. Lala. Taba na ito, oh. Ito nga taba-taba mo na. Ito pa yata. We're done with chilling and we're on our way to Katibawasan Falls now. Yeah, malamig. Super lamig. Malapit na tayo sa Katibawasan. Sobrang lamig. So,
Along the way also, papuntang Katibawasan, ayun yung White Island. Kitang-kita siya. High tide na, no? Late na nung sandbar eh. 75 din for Katibawasan. Kuya, isa po. Isa lang po. Ang taas naman ng ano. Sorry.
Pangalan, ma'am?
Joey Lin po.
Thank you.
75 pesos din siya. Same with Tuwasan. 65 entrance and then environmental is 10 pesos. Ooh, kita na siya agad from here. Okay. Ang haba niya. Dito na tayo sa Katibawasan Falls. Sobrang haba niya. Parang, ewan ko kung gaano siya katangkad. Ayun. Super tangkad. Let's go. Pero hindi siya strong din. Hindi rin strong. Or siguro kasi umaraw na. Kuya, ilang inches? Ay, ilang inches? Ilang feet po ito?
Siguro mga 120 feet siguro ito. O 100. 162 feet.
Grabe, ang taas. Ang haba niya. Ang haba. I think I like this falls better than Tuwasan. Mataas. And then, mas clear yung water niya compared sa Tuwasan Falls. Kasi, siguro umulan kanina rin. So, one factor. Wala, ayaw na matanggal ng tripod. Super nakakabit. Ganyan sa kataas. So, I'm going back to my tour guide. This is our last stop, Katibawasan Falls. And ang aga pa, wala pa atang 2. Around 1 pa lang. Saglit lang natapos yung tour. Pero hindi ko naman kasi pinuntahan lahat kasi ayoko rin. Bye, Katibawasan Falls! It was nice seeing you. Time check! Almost 2:30 pa lang. And natapos ko na yung mga gusto kong puntahan. Bukas na ako magmamantika. Look at my nails. Kanan yun. Pero right-handed naman kasi ako. Yung kaliwa. Ano yung... We are back in our accommodation. I'm so tired. I need to rest. Now it's sunny. I just showered. Time check. It is 3:17 p.m. and I think I still have a lot of time before dinner, so I'm gonna nap, review my videos, my photos, and then I'll go somewhere for dinner. I don't know where, but somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna have dinner now. Okay, so yeah po. So that's the mozzarella. Ordered garlic rice. I swear, yung garlic rice nila pwede nang yun na lang kahit wala nang ulam talaga. Okay, so tapos na tayong kumain sa tambayan sa kanto and we're currently waiting for a mozzarella to pass by. Actually, marami nang dumaan pero puro puno para makabalik sa ating accommodation. Okay, now we are ready for today. We are just messy hair look because I don't know what to do with my hair anymore, so it's just that like messy bun. And yeah. And then I partner it up with my banana peel slippers. I don't know if you can see. Yes! Now we're off to go. Sana pagpunta ko sa Mantik ay maganda ang weather. There's the sea. It doesn't seem calm. But let's wait for the mozzarella to pass.
Sige ka, ma'am?
Opo, papunta po dun. Magkano po hanggang San Roque Port, sir?
20 lang, ma'am.
Okay. May papunta sa San Roque Port. What? Tayo po, sir. Thank you. So here yung building ng pag-rent ng boats and everything. So mamaya na, ang itim ko, tapos ang pula ng bakit gano'n? So mamaya na ako register and everything na magbayad kasi maghintay muna ako kasama. Kasi 750 siya for 5 person, I think. Hindi, 6 packs. Pero at least may makashare man lang ako kahit 2 or 3. Ano pala siya? Kita na siya from here. Yes. Nakalawa yung dito.
Maliliit lang yan.
Mag-snorkel ako.
Araw pa lang yung map.
Thank you, sir.
Ilang kurang kaya ganito.
Ito. Until 12 o'clock po.
3 hours.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we are now at the Mantique Island. Sobrang ganda. Para siyang, ito literal na postcard talaga. Dapat dito pala ako nag-ayos, hindi sa White Island. Kung kailan ang pangit ng... Tignan mo naman. Totoo yan na. Mukha siyang green screen. Look. Who's that girl? Ay! Tapos wala masyadong tao kasi Monday today. That's the Mount Chibok people. Let's look at the view. Hindi wala masyadong tao. Grabe, ang ganda. Grabe, ang ganda. Yung buho ko lang panira talaga. Snorkeling po with with tour guide tsaka
Guide?
at
Ma'am,
saka
pwede ka bang magka-antay for the guide, ma'am? Kasi
mga ilang minutes po.
mga 10 to 15 minutes.
15, 10 to
Yeah.
15. Okay lang po. Siguro ako ng snorkel with your life vest and then guide. 675 siya. We're off to snorkeling. Ay, tour guide din ako. Kaso layo ni Kuya. Di niya at ako friend. Hindi niya ako friend. Pero babalawan ko muna to sa dagat before using kasi parang para daw di mag-fog. So we finished snorkeling. Kasi siguro dito talaga yung snorkeling. Kaya siya mabuti. Sobrang lakas na ng hangin na tupa yung tripod. But it's okay. Wala namang importanteng ano. Parang babagyo na. We're going back to ano po tayo? Ang ganda ng, hindi ko lang po sure kung anong prutas siya. Tara. Grabe itim ko.
Siguro gamay doon. Ipog ko lang, ipog ko. Kaya ko na patayo. Layo na kayo ka. Ibanti gamay, ipog ko. Ibanti.
Now we're gonna commute again, going back to my accommodation. Grabe kapoy. Feeling ko din na ako magla-lunch. Matutulog na lang muna ako. Grabe ang buhok. Terminal, tuluan siya. Ang layo ng nilagpasan. So I wanna sulit my last, no, tomorrow's my last day, but I wanna sulit this day rin. Since maaga pa, alas 12 pa lang, alauna. I'm gonna search where to eat and then I'm gonna commute going there. Ang layo pala ng nilagpasan kong babaan. Tulog pa mo. We're off to get our early dinner. So feeling ko, pag nakatulog ako, hindi na ako magigising. And super, until 7 PM lang ata yung mga motorela. Eh magko-commute ako. So, now we're off. Ay, parahin. Sinong naliligaw? Where am I? We're walking kasi wala na akong barya. Yung papuntang airport is orange na tricycle. No, orange na motorela. Westbound yon. Nadaan yun ng airport. So, yung La Dolce Vita, tapat lang siya mismo ng airport. Pero since wala nga akong barya, 15 pesos lang kasi yung pamasahe. 500 yung pera ko, nakakahiya naman magbayad. So, yun na lang. Lakad na lang. Anyway, 21 minutes walk siya from Gaisano.
Turn left.
So, hindi na masama. It's an exercise. 1.3 kilometers. Mabilis lang. We're actually near. We arrived at pasalubong sa Camiguin. Whatever that. Let's check inside lang. Okay, so hindi ko naman talaga ugaling bumili ng pasalubong. Pero sige, bumili ako ng keeping and ng tart for my office mates. Siguro for sure sa keeping may matitira. Ipapatry ko rin sa family ko. Kasi pagka-uwi ko, galing airport, diretso ako ng office. Well, finally. Sana masarap. Western Union. Parang wala silang we're gonna click something. Ate, yung cappuccino po ninyo, pwede pong iced cream? Yes. Okay. Isang iced cappuccino, isang bruschetta tono, and isang scolio pasta.
Penny. Scolio. Mild po, spicy or not?
Spicy.
Spicy. So, So, papauna na lang po namin yung bruschetta tuna habang naghihintay kayo ng spaghetti.
Okay, thank you.
Bruschetta tono. Tuna siya. So, siguro yung tono, ang meaning niya sa Italian is tuna. Pero sa seafood. Pero masarap. That's good. Cappuccino. Their pasta is so good. I really love the pasta. Because it's spicy. No, sobrang malasa. And ang daming recados. Scolio pasta yung in-order ko. Penne pasta or pin pasta. Yung sarap, wala akong masabi. Medyo pricey but worth it. And ang dami ng servings nila. So of course, ito take out. We're back at Gaisano, Jollibee, but I can't find where the Tucson terminal is. Let's ask. Kuya, excuse me po, saan po yung terminal pasakay ng Tucson?
Diretso lang na.
Diretso lang po.
Paano wala?
Kanan? Thank you po. Okay, diretso then right. We have arrived safe and sound. 100 pesos yung habal for about 5.7 kilometers ata yun. So, 100 pesos I think okay na siya. So we are waiting for, I don't know, a jeep or motorella. Siguro para hindi hassle, mag-arkila na lang ako if may dumaan man na habal or motorella na diretso na sa port. Kasi ayokong ma-late. Kasi may flight pa ako. And then, ang ganda ng weather today. Do you see that? That's the sea. Talaga ba kamigin kung kailan paalis na ako? Probably. Last morning in Camiguin. Look how pretty. Paid 50 pesos kasi may space na tinitake up yung maleta ko so hindi din makapag-space. Kuya, magkano po hanggang Benoni?
Oo.
Magkano po?
20, ma'am.
Pang maramihan na po yun.
5.
20 times 5, 100. Alis na po tayo. Thank you. So we're on our way to Benoni Port. Nagmotorela ako from my accommodation. So 50 pesos na kasi na. Yung baggages ko nag-take up ng space and then motorela again going to Benoni Port. $252 siya. Pero ang siningil lang sa akin ni ate, 250. Time check 6:31 and boarding na siya. So, yeah, I really suggest that you ask and not rely on what's displayed on the tarpaulin because says there 9:15 is the next trip. Hello po. Hi, kuya. It says there 9:15 is the next trip. Nag-hi si kuya, hindi niya alam naka-front cam ako. Sorry kuya, hindi nakita yung cute smile mo. But I got a trip for 7 AM and I'm now boarding. Yun lang naman. I'll have to say goodbye. See you on my next adventure. Bye.